Hello friends, Namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. Today I'm going to share an easy and delicious chocolate dipped strawberries recipe. These chocolate strawberries are a perfect treat for any celebrations or parties. Start by washing your strawberries and let them dry completely. Make sure the strawberries are fresh and firm. Mushy or wet strawberries won't hold the chocolate covering. I'm patting the strawberries gently with a tissue paper and leaving them for a while to let them dry completely. Now I'm getting some toppings ready. First I'm chopping some cashew nuts into smaller pieces. Next, I chopped some almonds. You can choose any toppings you like. Almonds with chocolate is my favorite combination. Next, I'm using my daughter's favorite heart-shaped sprinkles. I found these sprinkles at Target last year. I'll try to leave a link in the description box below. You can also choose mini semi-sweet chocolate chips or dark chocolate chips if you like. Line a big plate or cutting board with some parchment paper. Now let's get started with melting the chocolate. I'm using Ghirardelli baking chocolate chips. You can try other brands you like too. Godiva are definitely my favorite ones. I'm using a double boiler method to melt the chocolates. It's very simple. Just take a saucepan, half fill it with water and bring the water to simmer in medium heat. Next, place the bowl with chocolate on top of the saucepan. The important thing is the bowl should not touch the water. The steam from water will melt the chocolate. Keep mixing the chocolate chips. Optionally add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil into the melting chocolate. This gives a little bit of shine to our chocolate coating. I'm using canola oil here. You can also use vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon won't affect the taste of the chocolate. Keep mixing the chocolate evenly until it melts. This is the desired consistency. Once it reaches this consistency, take the bowl off the pan. Don't heat the chocolate any further. Now comes the fun part. Simply dip the strawberries into melted chocolate by holding the green leaves and gently rotate it so you can cover all the sides of strawberry. Then wipe any excess chocolate to bowl edge and place the strawberries on the parchment paper. To add the toppings, first dip the strawberry in the melted chocolate and next dip it in the toppings. Rotate it around so the toppings stick all around on the chocolate. Repeat this with all the strawberries and different toppings you like. It is definitely as simple as you see here. Even kids would love to help too. I'm repeating the same process with cashew nuts, almonds and heart sprinkles. Once done with all the strawberries, place the plate or tray along with the parchment paper and strawberries in the fridge. I also dipped some pretzel sticks for my daughter. Refrigerate them for 15 minutes or until chocolate hardens. This step is optional. If you want to drizzle some white chocolate, you would do that at this point. Melt some white chocolate chips as shown before using a double boiler method. Once it reaches the drizzle consistency, take it off the pan. Start dripping the chocolate to and fro with a spoon as shown here. Quickly place the chocolate covered strawberry under the dripping chocolate to achieve the drizzle effect and let them set for 10 more minutes in the refrigerator. Note that you would do this after initial brown chocolate coating has been set in the refrigerator. If you do the white chocolate stripes on wet brown chocolate, they would mix with each other. That's it. These fancy looking chocolate dipped strawberries are so easy to make and they are hard to resist after eating one. Regardless of age, kids or adults would totally love them. These are perfect for kids' parties or romantic dinner nights. I hope you will give this recipe a try for your next party or coming up Valentine's Day. Please share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.